Welcome back to My Life Deliberately. I'm out here processing more firewood today, and I keep refining my process. For me, the important things that I'm looking for are consistent size pieces that'll fit my wood stove and that'll stack nicely because they're consistently sized. And for me, that's 16 inches. And then the other thing is to handle the wood as little as possible. So for me, that starts out in the woods. I try to cut everything to 8-foot lengths, and if I have stuff left over from the sawmill, whatever length it is, today I happen to have 12-foot boards on there from the sawmill, so I'm going to cut those the 4 feet off of those down in the end here, and then restack those on the table so that I can cut them up into 16-inch size pieces. But to get accurate size pieces, for me, it all starts with this table. I've got 2x6s on here that are set up 16 inches apart down the center so that I can run the chainsaw down between the two pieces of wood, and I can cut consistent 16-inch size pieces. So that's where it starts for me there. And then I set the wood splitter up next to that so I can just take them straight from the table, split them on the wood splitter, and then I picked up this little cart from Harbor Freight, and I'm going to try that and see how much of this wood I can get in there. If I need to, I will maybe put some plywood sides on that to be able to stack higher, but my goal would be to be able to take all the wood from one table, cut it up, and split it, stack it inside there, and then be able to go deliver it up to the house and unstack it there so that I'm handling the wood as little as possible. So hopefully this cart will work. We'll see how much we can get in there, and let's get to cutting. So as of today, that's my process for processing the firewood. I'm always trying to refine it and make it a little bit better. Try to touch the wood as little as possible, and try to handle everything in one place at one time. So it looks like the wood from the table takes 2 carts to go up. I was hoping I could do it in one, but maybe I can make some improvements to the cart and try to get it all into one. Got a little smarter there towards the end. I started splitting 2 pieces at a time instead of 1 at a time. That makes a lot of sense. But yeah, so I can do that at least when it's slabs like that. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe if you would. Helps out the channel a lot. And if you're wondering where those slabs came from, check out the video that's on the screen right now. It explains how I cut those slabs on my sawmill. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.